Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you add beneficiary or payee account in SBI Net Banking. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now before going ahead, one more important thing. I'm showing this process on my laptop, but if you don't have a laptop or PC, you can follow the same steps on your mobile phone or any other device which you are using. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open any particular browser and search for SBI Net Banking. Select this first link, and in personal banking you get an option of login. You can select that and go to the login page. Now once you're on login page, it will ask you to enter username, password, captcha, and then you can complete the login process. Now in order to add beneficiary or payee account, all you have to do is you just have to go to payments option, and over there you get an option of manage pay. So once you select manage pay, directly you get an option to add new pay or new beneficiary account, and you also get an option to manage pay. If you go down on this page, then you can check out the list of payee or beneficiary account which you have already added. So in order to do the transfer, if your account is visible over here, you can simply tap on pay and you can transfer the money. But if the beneficiary account is not added, then you have to select add payee option over here, and on the next page you have to select bank of which account you are adding. So suppose if you want to add account of IndusInd Bank, then you can select IndusInd. If you are adding account of Union Bank, then you can select Union Bank. So choose the bank from here. In my case, I'm going to add IndusInd Bank account, so I'm going to select IndusInd over here. And once you select the bank, it will ask you to enter pay details. Make sure that the account details you enter is correct. So you have to enter account number twice. You have to enter account name. You can verify it later. You can also set pay limit per transaction, and maximum limit is up to 25 lakhs. And if you want to set a nickname, you have that option as well. So once everything is done, you can simply tap on proceed option and go ahead. So now you can see I have entered the account details. If I go down, I can set per transaction limit. So you can just simply move this toggle like this. If you want to set maximum limit, then you can move the toggle towards the right side if you want to set any particular limit. So basically you just have to move the slider or toggle, right? Now once this is set, tap on proceed option, and you can see it is giving me an information saying that cooling period of 60 minutes applicable, transfer limit of maximum 5 lakhs applicable for 4 days. So no matter which limit you have set, for the first 4 days maximum limit will be up to 5 lakhs. Now if you transfer up to full limit like 25 lakh or more than that, you can visit SBI ATM or else you can visit SBI branch. Now before going ahead, you have to select one option. So we are going to select OTP option for now, and we are going to submit it. So you will receive an OTP on your registered number. Enter the OTP and submit it. I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit, and now you can see payee addition request received. So payee will be added after 60 minutes because that is the cooling period. Now if you want to check beneficiary, again you can go to payment, you can go to manage payee option over here, and if you go down, you can see this is the account which we have added just now. So if I tap on I button, you can see payee activation is in progress. Fund transfer will be enabled for the payee once it is activated, which is after 60 minutes. Now one more thing, let me tell you why adding a beneficiary account is important. If you're doing transaction with a particular account on daily basis, then each and every time if you don't want to enter account details manually, it is better you add that account as beneficiary or payee account, because it will help you to save your time. As you can see, we have the beneficiary account. All you have to do is just simply tap on pay option, and you can transfer the money to that particular account within minutes or within seconds. So yes, do try to add a beneficiary account if you're doing frequent transaction with that account. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.